So you wanna always round down or always round up. That's floor and ceil. Sometimes fairness matter. Floor always give you the smaller number means the safer side, and ceil always give you the bigger number means the generous side. Together they control precision. And to get these nodes, just right click and type in floor, or if you want a ceil node, then just type in ceil and you will get this node. But now we will just remove it because I have already prepared an example to better understand it, where we are every 0.2 second reducing 0.2 out of a variable which is set to 100, as you can see on the screen. So it will set it, and then through a sequence node we will print three values out of it. First will be with the floor. We are taking the input from the value and outputting an integer which is given by floor, and the second one is ceil, and the third one is the actual value. Now let's just play it and see it in action. Okay, it's a bit too fast, so let's reduce the speed of it with like 0.5 second. 0.2 is a bit fast, no issue. So now let's just compile and let's begin play. As you can see on the screen how floor and ceil is actually working, because the actual value for example is 95.5 or 95.6, but the floor value will give us 95 and the ceil value will give us 96, as you can see on the screen. So it is basically used for inventory slot when you always want a down value, or currency when you always want to round up the cost, or level systems. Floor and ceil are about consistency in rules. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.